We are the Dräger Parorama Nova and FPS 7000. We are full-face masks and protect reliably both your respiratory system and your eyes from various environmental influences. In the next 100 seconds, we will briefly tell you the most important things about us. You work in hazardous environments and don't know the pollution and oxygen concentration of the ambient air, or it is not sufficient available? Then we offer you safe protection in the system with a compressed air breathing apparatus or closed-circuit breathing apparatus. Also, in combination with filters or host devices, we form an optimal and safe system for your operations. To meet a variety of applications and requirements, we are available in different variants. Choose your configuration between different connections and materials of the mask body or the visor. Additionally, the Dräger FPS 7000 is available in 3 different sizes. Our distortion-free viewing lens made of impact-resistant polycarbonate gives you a large 180-degree wide field of vision. The Parorama Nova lens is also available in a chemical-resistant triplex. For the Dräger FPS, you can also choose an extra heat-resistant polycarbonate. Configure us according to your requirements and working conditions. We are optionally available with communication units. The Dräger FPS COM perfectly matches the design of the Dräger FPS 7000 and can be selected with different modules depending on your requirements. Whether radio, team communication or even voice amplifier, we have the right solution for you. Pretty practical, aren't we? That's us, the Dräger Parorama Nova and FPS 7000, reliable and comfortable respiratory protection.